Hey boo, this is Nika and I am pleasantly unbothered. Thank you so much for joining me for day 3 of Vlogtober. Let's go ahead and jump right in with our personal power phrases. If you're not familiar, we're doing a 30-day challenge here on this channel for the month of October that's going to help us discover our personal powers and tap into the unique and special parts of who we are. If you're interested in more information about that, check out day 1 of Vlogtober. It explains in detail how to go about it, where to get the confidence booster workbook, which is always right in the description box. That's not a secret. But if you want to join in, like, jump on in and let's get to it. It doesn't take much time at all, but at the end of the 30 days, you're gonna see how much this simple activity has improved your state of mind and the way that you think about yourself. On day 1, we worked our way through all 3 activities in the workbook, and for the remainder of the month, we're gonna be focused on activity 3 to help us develop the habit of self-appreciation, increase confidence, and improve self-esteem. So go ahead and grab your list. I have mine right here, and let's get into it. I am beautiful, I am sexy, I am desirable. I am supported, I am valued, I am loved. There is so much more to me than my appearance. It is my right and responsibility to show up in this world exactly as I am. I have made it through 100% of my toughest days, and I will not stop. I appreciate my intelligence, intuition, and emotional awareness. I love my unique sense of style and the way I present myself. I am peaceful, I am calm, I am pleasantly unbothered. I am worthy of everything I desire for myself. I love my own personal brand of sexy and how attractive I've grown to become. Should that be sexiness? My own personal brand of sexiness? Sexiness? I might change that. I am grateful for my body and all that it has allowed me to do. I am capable of even more than I could ever imagine. I believe in my ability to inspire others and impact the world in my own unique way. By being kind to myself and others, I am encouraging others to do the same. I am loyal, I am supportive, I am understanding. I am worthy of happy, healthy, positive relationships. I am a great mom and I do the best that I can for my daughter every single day. So day 3 of the challenge is in the bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark it off on my little tracking sheet that I have here. We got day 1, day 2, and then day 3. As I mentioned before, you can track this however you want. You can keep a tally in your phone. You can add it to a calendar. You can hang this sheet on your wall and just mark it off as you go along. Whatever works for you works for me. I do hope that you are joining me for this challenge. If you are, what do you think of it so far? How's it going? If you're not, let me know why. If you think you're too good at something, like, you not. No, let me stop. But honestly, anyone can benefit from this challenge no matter where they are in their self-love and confidence journey. So please consider joining us. It would be an amazing opportunity, and I'm telling you, at the end of 30 days, investing just those few minutes in loving yourself, appreciating yourself, and speaking positivity into yourself, it makes a huge difference. So I'd urge you to reconsider and to hop in. It's never too late. If you join a few days late, just keep it going a few days extra. Ain't no harm. It ain't going nowhere. If you know of anyone who would enjoy this and who could benefit from this challenge, please feel free to share this video or the video from day 1 with them. We'd love to have them. We're all here keeping each other accountable, keeping each other investing, helping each other level up. So let's get it. Now that we have that done, let's go ahead and slide into the video segment for today. I hope you enjoy it. So I did a little grocery shopping today, and I was just putting the things away, getting things in containers and such, and I figure I'd show you what I got. So we got some bananas, obviously, some grapes already washed in a container. These containers are so awesome. The best for storing fruits and produce and stuff. Some spinach. And the reason I put them in other containers is because, like, there's often so much moisture in these bags, and I feel like it makes the produce wilt very easily. So I'll probably put these broccoli florets in a container like this as well. Got some tomatoes, Roma, cucumbers, some sweet potatoes, matchstick carrots. Oh, I also got whole carrots too, but I already put those away. Got some beautiful mangoes. Oh my gosh. Oh, my family's from the island, so mangoes are always, always on our shopping list. Some apples, Honey Crisps, the best. Bagels, potato bread. This one is so good. Oh my gosh. It's like so soft and fluffy and just delicious. And also some romaine. I can't stand seeing them look like this in the bag, so I'll probably go ahead and wash them, cut them up, and get them in containers as well so that they're ready to go. And that's about it. We're planning for a pretty or relatively healthy week. Got some salads in mind to make. I'm gonna be making some sweet potato with saltfish. If you know anything about the islands, you know what I'm talking about. And we definitely love having a lot of fruits around, so there we go. This wasn't a full shopping trip today, mainly just replenishing on the perishables and things. We had some bananas that started to turn and we don't really like them all that much when they get too ripe, so I had to get new ones and, you know, just stocking up, replenishing. All right, so here's that bowl for produce. It has, oop, almost dropped it. It has open slots on the bottom. It sits on the stand. You can add water to the bottom depending on the kind of fruit or veggie you have. Some of them thrive better with water along the bottom. Otherwise, it can help water or moisture drip to the bottom. And then, just open my broccoli. And I would just store it in here so that it's not sitting in a bunch of moisture in the bag and it doesn't start to spoil or wilt too quickly. Everything is getting so expensive these days, so the last thing you want when you buy your fresh fruits and veggies is for them to spoil before you even get a chance to eat them. And then the lid actually has some information letting you know the best way to store it as well, whether you have berries or cherries or tomatoes or what have you. There we go. Done and done. All right, so it's about lunchtime, so I'm gonna throw together a quick tuna melt using some of that bread that I just got and some tuna that's already prepared in the fridge. If you enjoyed this video, please do the thumbs up thing. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, I encourage you to do that right now and to hit the notification bell so that you're alerted when the new videos are uploaded. We are coming at you every single day. every day. Like, consider me the daily check-in that you never had but you always wanted. I'm here. I hope you'll be here too, sis. Join me, come back, like meet me in the middle, you know, meet me halfway. If you have ideas for video segments you'd like me to include in Vlogtober, certainly let me know in the comment section. I am all ears and I'm totally open to switching it up and expanding past our usual topics of fashion and dating and self-love and such. Those are all incredibly important, which is one of the reasons we're doing this challenge. But I'm also open to exploring other options, so let me know what you want to see. I know that there are 1,000 other things that you could be doing or watching right now, so I certainly appreciate you being here with me, and I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video. Bye.